Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a straight pour with some blues and of course pearl white and some greens and purples, and I'm hoping for kind of a cloud pour effect, kind of. So I will start. This is Phthalo, Prussian Phthalo blue from Amsterdam, and I will add some pearl white, and let's add some permanent rose next. And let's do this Indatrhrene blue and some metallic turquoise, and I will add some phthalo green next, and some cyan blue. And let's add some pearl white. Oop. And some of this cobalt. Cobalt violet. And just violet. Let's add a little more pearl white. A little more of this cyan. Dark blue. And I will add some purple and permanent violet, maybe permanent rose, and let's see what will happen. I will just pour here in the middle. Okay. I will just try not to go over the edges yet, just to see what is happening. Okay, want to keep this part. Just have to pour a little of this off because it's kind of weird looking. My pearl white doesn't work today. Just have to tilt a little of this off. What is happening with my pearl white today? I will just try to leave my pearl white out and do it again because something weird is happening here. I don't know what. I will just pour another cup and I will use just regular white. Finish this one off. Cyan, some of this metallic, turquoise, and a little of phthalo green. And I will add this darker blue next to it. And some white again. Some cyan. And some cobalt. And violet. And this will be it. Let's see if pearl white is a problem or there is something with my paints that it's not okay. You hear my chickens? Now I'm close to this place where I have chickens, so you can hear chickens instead of my clock. So let's see what will happen now. Still got some weird things happening. I don't know what is wrong with my mixture today. But I like this painting. Now I just love this, but still I get some weird things happening, like that my paint want to split somehow. I don't know what is going on. I will pop up these air bubbles. But I like it now. So let me take you down for a close-up. Oops, sorry. And my lights, I will turn off my lights. Okay. I love this tree. I love these branches around and all this lacing, but the tree is my favorite. So, and here is like another branch of a bigger tree, you see. I like it a lot, but I don't know if you can see. I'm not used to that kind of thing. I don't know what is happening. In my paint mixture today. But I'm happy with this painting. I like it a lot. So if you like it too, subscribe and help me grow my channel and continue doing art for you. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!